Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I'll talk about a token that has actually pumped insanely well in the last few days, nearly recording over 2000% pump in the last 1 week. That means this is a kind of insane pump that you can see from any token that is launched recently, and this one was launched in the month of June 2025. So with that, let's start the video and let's discover what is going on with MYX token and where to invest, where to make money, or are you already late to invest in this token? Now, before I begin, let me just tell you about its tokenomics right away so that you should know that almost majority of it is allocated to institutional investors and team advisor that account for 40% of the total supply. So take note of that. And we talk about the market cap $239 million with a total supply of 1 billion token. Now coming back to the chart, you can see right over here about the token. The token has surged tremendously when it started pumping at this price point, which is at around nearly 10 cents, from 10 cents to nearly $2 within a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4 days without showing any sign of stopping. Now to analyze it and see how far it can go, or of course to check it out whether you should invest, take a look at the bigger time frame, which is monthly. So on the month 3 itself, this token has pumped insanely. Again, the two lower candles, the lower high candles, this one is the proof that there's a signs already that this token will pump. But this is not the complete scenario we should analyze. We should go to the weekly chart, and weekly chart is saying kind of same story, making higher highs, higher lows. Now this candle is quite exceptional. Now going to the daily, you will see that this pump was quite unpredictable, which means no one can predict it. There is no such sign as seen from the chart. The token was not trading well at all. It has pumped, then dumped, pumped and dumped and pumped and dumped and pumped like insanely. So clearly what you see here in these candles, which is these three candles, you can see the trading volume wasn't much before, but then its sudden rise raised questions to me, and that's why I checked the tokenomics, which made me believe that this is an artificial pump, and that is why it has pumped a lot in the last few days, which means of course the majority of the shareholders apart from the community is held by the team, the VCs and the big investors. That means this can be artificial pump, it can be dump, a big dump can be coming right around the corner, because on the charts and everywhere on the fundamentals there is no such sign of MYX token being ready for big pump, especially when we are down at around Bitcoin going down below 120k, market is bearish, Trump tariff is in action, and everything is going sideways, especially the war like situation, and then you see this token pumping, that is question. So my suggestion to you is stay away from this token. Of course the pump is here, it can pump more, but I can see stagnation already happening around $2 area. This area is showing me signs of stopping down, which is actually not a good thing for those who just invested in this token. Check out this rectangular pattern and you will see the trend is actually trapped in it, and I believe it can actually being ready to go down, and when that happens it is going to crush back very badly, making people lose money, especially wait for it to touch 20 MA or 50 MA, then crash back down. So watch for the lower time frame to check out when it is about to crash, because right now it has crashed then pumped again, but now it's stagnated. Now if it remains stagnated around the zone of $2, I believe it is going to go down below very fast. That's my view about this token. What are your thoughts? Comment below, let me know. With that I complete my video. If you like my analysis, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you very much.